Hi Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Gwen Stacy as Ghost Rider from Spidey and his amazing friends. So let's get started. To draw this cute ghost spider, let's first start by drawing a big curve for the top of her head. So I'm going to come right here and kind of draw this dome shaped curve. It kind of reminds me of drawing like a balloon is what I'm kind of thinking this looks like. So hopefully that makes it a little bit easier for you to figure out how to draw this shape. So let's come right here. I'm just going to draw this big curve right at the top. And then we're going to bring it down. So let's bring it down here. Just going to go back and forth. And then as we come down right here, we're going to bring it in. And we're going to come towards our center. So let's come in here. To bring it in, it's going to get thinner towards the bottom, just like a balloon. And this is about our center. So I'll say about right here. I'll give myself a point. So I kind of know where I'm going. And just go ahead, come to that point, and then go up. There. So your goal is just to make this part right here nice and round, a little bit wider, and then bring it in to taper for the chin area. Then from there, let's draw the eyes. So I'm going to come to my center here. We're going to draw these big eyes. So I'm going to say about right here towards the bottom. I'll give myself 2 points here and here, right in the center, just so I know where I'm starting off. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and come about right here and draw a curve coming down. So come about right here. So hopefully you're using a pencil at home so you can play around with this shape and make any adjustments you need. So about right there, and we're going to bring it in and curve up. So as you can see, this eye here takes up a lot of the room of the face. Then from there, we're going to come back to this point, come about right here, and we're going to thicken everything up. So this part is going to be a little bit thicker. So I'm going to start right here. It's easier for my hand. This part here is thicker, and this part is going to be a little bit thinner. But right there, and then same thing here. Thinner and then thicker. And as we come towards the edge right here, we're only going to see a little part of it. So we're just going to get really close to the edge and connect. There. Smooth this part out. Okay, so now that we have this point, we're going to draw the same exact thing. That's where you kind of want to find your center so that you know that you make sure your eyes are in the center. So I'm going to drag a point across, put right there so I know where I'm going. And once again, draw a big curve. And same thing here. So just follow kind of what you did on the other side. And bring it in. There. Okay, so once again, we'll come back to our point, come out right here. Thinner and then thicker as we come out. A little bit thinner and then thicker. And then come very close to the edge. There. Something like that. It is a pretty tricky shape, right? Okay, so now that we have the eyes, and I think that's just the hardest part, we can go ahead and draw the hoodie. So find your center, so about right here. I'm going to come down, just skip a little bit of space, and I'm going to draw a curve that hits the face. 2 curves. Then from there, let's bring this out. And we're going to connect it with this curve coming down. And connect. There. So whatever is easy, you can start over here, you can stop start at the top, but I just want to create this curve, and it tapers. Then connect. There. Smooth this out. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and thicken it up. So we're going to come back to this point, and we're just going to kind of follow what we drew and go out. So it gets a little thinner here, and it's going to get a little bit wider out here. And we're just going to follow it and taper it in. And we're going to come to our center. So say about here. Just give myself a point so I know where I'm going. And we're going to round this part off. There. Then same thing on the other side. So we're just going to draw the exact same thing, bring it down. Then get back here. And thicken it up. There. Okay. Not easy, right? But hopefully I'm helping you. So hopefully you're using a pencil, like I said, and play around with it and adjust it as you need. Okay, so now that part is done, let's go ahead and draw the body. So we're going to come about right here. And I'm just going to draw a curve coming down for the shoulders. So about right here, I'm going to come down a little bit from my armpit area. Right there, and we're going to draw a slight angle line coming down there, and let's keep bringing it down. It's a bodysuit, so not too many details, so we just need to keep bringing it down. And let's say about right here, I'm just going to give myself a slight angle line right in the center. And this is where the legs are going to start. So let's keep going. And this part's going to come out right here. So let's work on the legs first. I'm going to come down. I'm going to work on this side first. I'm going to bring it down at an angle. So notice it's getting thinner. And bring this one down here and here. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead, and this leg is going to be straight forward. So we come out and curve around for the shoe and connect straight across. Then for this foot, let's continue it down. We're going to change it up, so same level as this foot. Bring this down, and about right here where the shoe starts, we're going to curve out, curve, and connect. There. And to add some detail, let's come back. Let's see here. Let's come into this space. We're going to curve right here. And then this one is going to come straight across and go up. And then there's this curve right here for some details. Just going to kind of go up a little bit. Right there. So there's the other curve, same spot. And this one is going to go all the way up right here. So thinly, and then connect. And thicken it up. There. Okay, so then now for some details right about here, we're going to come over here. We're going to draw a curve towards the top and bring it down. And come back here for some details on the sides. And of course we need to draw the spider, so let's come about right here. It's my center. I'm going to draw a curve, and we're going to draw zigzag 2 of these legs. 1, 2, and then 2 coming down. And we're just going to connect it down here and up there, the spider shape. And I'm just going to add a heart right here because I need to put a heart to make her my Draw So Cute Ghost Rider, right? So I'm just going to put it in here if you like to do that as well. And that is it for this chest part. So now let's draw the arms. So we're going to come right here, continue this where the armpit is, and we want our hands to end about right here in the hip area. So I'm going to bend this down, and about right here we're going to angle it. So let's bring this and just follow, elbow, bring it in for a thinner waist, then come down with an angle and finger. Then we come in here and draw some details. One curve right there, and I think there's another curve right here. There. So same thing on the other side. So let's come about right here. And we want the hands to end same spot, so about right here. Curve and an angle. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and follow the elbow, just like the other side. Come in thinner for the wrist, angle it down, and stick out a little finger. There. And once again, the details. Curve and one more curve about right here. There. Let's see. And I think that is pretty much it for this drawing here of Gwen Stacy as Ghost Rider. I really hope you love how this turned out, that I helped you draw this fun and easy. I know this part's a little bit complicated, but like I said, I hope I helped you. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.